Good morning to all. Today I have take automobile engineering subject. The subject code is 20ME603PE. The first unit name is vehicle structure and engines. The first topic of this unit is type of automobiles. The automobiles are classified into different categories. First of all, with respect to the purpose, is classified into two different types: passenger vehicles, goods carriers. The example for the passenger vehicle is car, bus, jeep, scooter, mopeds and motorcycle. The example for goods carriers, trucks and lorries. With respect to the weight of the vehicle is classified into three different categories: heavyweight vehicles, lightweight vehicles, medium weight vehicles. The example for heavyweight vehicle is buses, trucks and trailers, and second one is the example for lightweight vehicle is cars and jeeps, and third one is the example for medium weight vehicle is mini buses and station wagons. With respect to the fuels is classified into five different categories. First one is petrol vehicles, second one is diesel vehicles, and third one is electrical vehicles, fourth one is gas vehicles, and fifth one is solar vehicles. The example for the petrol vehicle is scooters, cars and motorcycles. The example for the diesel vehicle is buses and trucks. The example for the gas vehicle is coal gas, LPG and CNG vehicles. The example for electrical vehicle is heavy cranes, battery trucks, cars and forklifts. With respect to the capacity is classified into two different categories: heavy transport vehicles, light transport vehicles. The example for the heavy transport vehicle is bus, lorries, trucks and tractors. The example for the light transport vehicle is car, scooters, mopeds and motorcycles. With respect to the number of wheels is classified into four different types. First one is a two-wheeler, second one is a three-wheeler, and third one is a four-wheeler, and fourth one is a six-wheeler based automobile vehicles. The example for the two-wheelers is scooter and mopeds. The example for the three-wheelers is autos and tempos. The example for the four-wheeler is car, jeep, buses and trucks. The example for the six-wheeler vehicle is heavy trucks. With respect to the side of the driver seat is classified into two different types: left hand drive, right hand drive. The left hand drive mostly used for American, European and UAE countries. The right hand drive used in Indian vehicles. This is a layout of car. The car consists of the important components of the important component is radiator, engine, generator, gear shift mechanism, steering wheels, transmissions, propeller shaft, differential, universal joints, clutches, flywheel, starters, engine crankcase. These are the important components of the car layout. And next one is four-wheel drive. In the four-wheel drive, the front axle and the rear axle connected with differentials with help of the universal joints and slip joints. This is the layout of the chassis. To construct any automobile, chassis is the basic requirement. Chassis is a French term and it was initially used to denote the frame or main structure of the vehicle. It is extensively used in complex vehicles. Except the body, a vehicle without body is called as chassis. Basic construction of chassis. Chassis is the backbone of the vehicle. The component of the vehicle such as power plants, transmission system, axles, wheels and tires, suspension, controlling system such as a braking, steering, etc. And also electrical system parts are mounted on the chassis frames. It is the main mounting of all components including the body. So it is also called carrying unit. Main component of chassis: frame, front suspension, steering mechanism, engine, clutch and gearbox, radiator, propeller shaft, wheels, rear and sprint springs and shock absorber, differential unit, universal joint, brake and braking system, storage battery, fuel tank, electrical systems, silence. These are the important component of the chassis. Classification of chassis. According to the fitting of the engine is classified into 5 different categories: fully forward chassis, semi forward chassis, bus chassis, engine at back, engine at center. The example for the full forward chassis is cars, Mahindra Jeeps, and second one is the example for the semi forwarded chassis is Tata SC series of vehicles, bus chassis used for buses and trucks. Engine at back, example for Volkswagen cars and Leyland bus used for engine at back type chassis. Engine at center type chassis used for Royal Tiger World Master buses of Delhi Transport. Characteristics of a good chassis: fast pickup, strength, safety, durability, dependability, easy to control, speed, power, accessibility, economic of operation, low center of gravity, stability of load clearance, braking ability, simplicity of lubrication. This is a typical car frame. The frame sections classified into 4 types: channel section, box section, uh, tubular section, eye section. This is the important components of the car bodies. And then frameless chassis construct for the car. This diagram explains the frameless chassis. And next one is different type of bodies for different vehicles. These are the example for the different type of vehicle bodies. The second important topic this unit is IC engine. This diagram is a constructional of IC engine. The important components of the IC engine is spark plug, rocket arm, cylinder head, inlet port, exhaust port, inlet valve, exhaust valve, piston ring, connecting rod, gut joint pin, cylinder, cam and follower, camshaft, crankshaft, crank web, crankcase. These are the important constructional components. And next one is a cylinder block. This is a cylinder block. It is the main body of the engine which contains the cylinder. The piston reciprocate inside the cylinder to develop the power. The cylinder are accurately finished to accommodate the pistons. The cylinder block also houses crankshaft, piston and other engine parts. During the combustion, high pressure and temperature will be developed inside the cylinder. Therefore, it should be made up of material which can resist high temperature and pressure. It is made up of grey cast iron or aluminum with steel sleeves. Cylinder head. The cylinder head is bolted at the top of the cylinder block. It houses the inlet and exhaust valves through which the charge is taken inside the cylinder and burned gases are exhausted to the atmosphere from the cylinder. It also contains a spark plug hole or injector hole and cooling water jackets. The material used for the cylinder heads are cast iron, aluminum, alloy steel, etc.